Atmosphere, written by Miss Park, sung to the tune of Bingo. 5 layers of the atmosphere surround Earth like a blanket. First the troposphere, next the stratosphere, then the mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. You and I live in the layer that's called the troposphere. We breathe the air in here. Most weather takes place here. Air temperature decreases as you go up higher. Above this, airplanes like to fly. In the stable stratosphere, it's got the ozone layer, which helps protect us from radiation from the sun called ultraviolet rays. The next layer is the coldest one. It's called the mesosphere. It's colder than Antarctica. Meteors burn up here. Water vapor freezes into ice cold clouds in this layer. Another layer of the atmosphere is called the thermosphere. It gets hot up there, thousands of degrees Celsius, because the air's so thin and from solar radiation. The outermost region of the atmosphere is called the exosphere. Here the atmosphere thins out into space. There's no air to breathe and it's very cold. Some other things you need to know about the atmosphere. It's composed of gases such as nitrogen, also oxygen, and others like CO2. Hope you enjoy this song and can practice a little at home.